morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at a familiar location. We're at the Jackson Hayward show once again. Haven't been to one of these in a while, but we got a good selection of cars out today. We got two Mark II Supras and we got a 240SX alongside a really clean Mark IV Supra. But we're just gonna walk around as usual and look at all the cars, see some nice builds. We have the Subi gang right here, pretty nice. I actually like this color on this STI. It's like a light blue grayish. We have a 335i on some nice wheels, and we got a SC 300 right next to the Toyota Aristo. And right beside we got S14 and a Toyota Mark II, really clean, and another GS. This one is stanced, pretty sick. And if you remember this from the last video, this is the new BMW M2. I didn't really get into detail with this since I was in a rush, but since we have a lot more time with the M2, I'm just gonna do a quick overview. This particular M2 makes around 450 horsepower, and you could get it in a manual, and it starts at around $60,000, which is pretty good for a car like this and times where everything is electric. But yeah, really nice BMW M2. I would say it's a bit boxy, but who cares? I mean, this is what people want. They want a manual, gas-powered, small sports car that is enjoyable, but also because there is no manual, gas-powered cars anymore. So this is one of the last standing cars, and I think that it's amazing that BMW was able to pull this off. What are your guys' thoughts on the new M2? We have a couple Supras over here, pretty nice, and you have even more Subis. I like this hatchback though, pretty sick. If you like MR2s, well, here you go. You got 3 of them, really nice. And then you have a stock 240SX, and right beside the 240SX, look at this. I'm pretty sure this is definitely from Japan because it is right-hand drive. This is a Nissan Safiro. I hope I said that right, but wow. This is basically, I thought this was a chaser at first, but then I saw the badge and I'm like, that's not a chaser. So yeah, this is a Nissan Safiro. It's right-hand drive. Well, there's a good reason why you've never seen these, because it's only sold in Japan. And there is a Subi next to another STI and another STI. This one is pretty sick though. Like the wheels on these. We have the Lotus Evora that we always see all the time, and got a really nice 240Z next to the Mark III Supra. And wow, look at the Mustang Mach 1, pretty sick. And then a 510 wagon. Hey, look at this, we have the Evo wagon again, and it looks like he's done some progress. He's got a wide body in the back. Trust the process. This thing might be a monster and we might not even know it. Got an incoming R32. We have a black R35 GTR, and unfortunately it looks like it got into a little bit of a fender bender. And you got a Type R and a Audi RS5 and 2 more R35 GTRs. This is our buddy Cal R35. Got a clean 240 coming in, and we got an Evo. That's it. Got a sick 240 SX and got a GR86. But you also can't forget the Integras. These ones have the JDM spec front bumpers, and then a wide body 240Z in black. And then you got all the Datsuns, the 510s, and the pickup truck. Always like these Datsun pickup trucks. Really clean S14. You have an RSX and a 370Z. And look at this, you have sexy 240 SX. Well, hard 240 SX. And look at that, that is a 2JZ in that engine bay. This dude's making serious power. Yeah, really nice 240. And you got a Z33, 350Z. Pretty sick. This is probably the cleanest car here. R32 GTR with the BBS wheels. Honestly, a dream setup GTR. I don't know, BBS wheels on JDM cars just go so good. Look at here, we got a F355. Really nice Ferrari. Really clean. Well, that's unfortunate for this Datsun 510 owner. I just noticed I was hit by a red light violator. Be careful. Yeah, that's self-explanatory. Be careful out there, guys. Oh man, we got a sick lineup rolling up. We got Anthony, Dan, a Mark IV Supra, and we got Wei in the GTR. Look at this, got a Lotus Esprit. Really nice Esprit V8. Got Dan pulling back. Oh shit. Look at this Mark IV Supra. I mean, come on. You would not mess with that if they had double intakes. That is scary. And then we got our boy Anthony and his NSX. Really sick, he has the work wheels on. Hold on, guys. Enough of the cars real quick. Look at this dog. He's just chilling. Hey, little dude. Over here in the corner, we got a Z32 300ZX. Really nice. This one's a 2+0. We got a BMW right beside. But then, hey, this looks familiar. This is another 300ZX. So this is just a normal truck, right? Nope. What in the world?
It's a zip tie.
Look at that. That's a giant intake, and that I wouldn't mess with this dude. Oh, this 240 is getting a bit rowdy. That sounds very nice. He's blowing out cold. Holy crap, I'm not messing with this dude. That's a built 2J. That is a built 2J. What do you think? How much horsepower?
700, 800.
Yeah, you heard it from the boy Isaac. Alright y'all, I think this ends today's video. It was really nice going to this Datsun meet. It was really fun. Bunch of really nice cars and really nice builds. But anyway, if you like the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.